Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is December the 15th, 2020, and today we are going to update you all on the price movement of Cardano. But before I do, I want you all to take a look at our price chart. As you all can see, it's clean. It's not confusing at all. And this is precisely what anyone who is trying to give you all the prediction and forecast about price, this is how their price chart should look in order to grasp what the market is trying to do. If it doesn't look like this, you need to be wary about that individual because they do not know what they're talking about. So today, like I told you, we are going to update you all on Cardano. Our last video, we did not put in a forecast because we wanted to allow the trap to continue to lay down his information so that we can better gauge where price is likely to go. Now, before I go into that, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, you hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel as well. Hit that bell notification because we definitely want to make sure you all are notified of what we're seeing on the price chart in relation to what the trap has laid down. So if you're new, the trap is the individual who controls the market, plain and simple. We have one conductor who is in the middle between the buyers and sellers, and he directs that flow of price. It's just that easy. Anyone else that tells you anything different does not know the market. So let us go into our price update for Cardano. December the 12th was the last time we did our video on Cardano. I'm going to zoom in on this price chart real quick, and you can see that we didn't do anything in relation to a price forecast on direction. But nevertheless, you guys can see that the value of Cardano did go higher, only towards 16 cents. And that's not a surprise because we identified this area of 16 cents a while ago, stating that that area was going to hold back the market from going higher in price. We're now trading at that particular level now. And you all can see that sellers are still present, albeit there's not a lot of volume coming through so far today in Cardano. So the market is still healthy in relation to it trying to go higher in price. Okay, you guys can see here that we're even seeing the market on a daily basis making higher lows into the market. We are in a slight uptrend. It's not as massive as this particular trend is, but the market generally is still trying to pursue breakage above 16 cents. That's what we're getting right now on this daily time frame. So let's take a look at the market real quick in Cardano on the 3-day. And you can see here that the market is mixed. On this current 3-day price bar, the market in Cardano is a balance between the buyers and the sellers. No one is outdoing the other. So we have to go based off what has already occurred historically in order to get a grasp as, okay, which one is really dominating the market. And as you all can see, the weakness is dominating the market so far. Over the last couple of 3-day price bars, the market has been moving to the downside, right? So what's going on right here around 16 cents is literally the trap taking the sellers out the way. He's purchasing all of the selling of Cardano around that particular level. Looking at the market in Cardano on the 5-day time frame, you guys can see right here we got 11 hours and 43 minutes left before that current 5-day price bar concludes. And the market is still emphasizing its ability to maintain at best price around 16 cents. We're at least seeing that. And that's very positive in the long term, i.e. past 5 days of the market trying to inch higher in price. So we're seeing instances to where this market in Cardano is able to maintain the weakness that has came through. That started literally the week or the 5-day price bar right here on November 21st. So all the way from November 21st to the current date today, the market has been fighting against those who wanted to sell Cardano at these price levels. And here you are, you can see right here in Cardano weekly time frame. It's not dependent. We cannot be too dependent on it or even reliant, but we still have 5 days and 12 hours left before this current weekly price bar ends. So we really shouldn't be looking on a weekly time frame thus far into the market for Cardano. But I wanted to show this to you because you can already tell that the rejection of 16 cents is still in play. Okay, you can see here how the market in Cardano tried to break above 16 cents this week, and right now we're just showing rejection. Now it doesn't mean that that's how the bar is going to end. We're just trying to go ahead and give you all a visual depiction of the market being rejected at 16 cents. Okay, so real quick, what do you all expect into the market in Cardano? I would say on the forecast, we need to pay attention to 14.5 to 15 cents. Market able to hold that particular level, the market will try to edge higher in the short term. Okay. So yeah, I'm looking at these multiple hourly time frames, and I really don't see that much weakness coming into Cardano. Like I said, my focus is going to be on 15 and 14.5 cents. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. I want you also to pay attention to this ascending line as well. Okay, so 15 cents. If we break 15 cents to 14.5, then the market is more or less going to hold sideways trading. Just give you all that heads up too. But what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and place some strength into the market for Cardano. And I definitely like how the volume is not coming in heavy today while the market is going lower. That lets us know that there's not a lot of sellers into the market around that 16 cent area that is going to have a major impact of the trap trying to move the value of Cardano higher. Okay, so I'm really going to focus in on 14.5, 15 cents in the market for Cardano, but we're going to continue to play the strength here as well. Okay, definitely TP would be around 16 cents because we already know the market got rejected there. So that would be about 4.25% profitability. But I'm going to extend it up there towards 17.5 cents into the market for Cardano. Okay, so this is our forecast. Okay, what's your participation? What do you all see into the market in Cardano? It's not hard, it's not confusing. We're expecting the trap to continue to move the market higher. We're trying to get in position. And what position are you trying to get in? Are you expecting the market to go lower? Are you expecting the market to go higher, or you're not expecting nothing at all? Tell us with a comment in the comment section and give me your TP price, your take profit area. Make sure you maintain a profitability and just trade different.